Central banks around the world have raised interest rates in recent times. The yield on your fixed deposits may look more attractive than stock market returns in the short term. But the bigger question now is, are your deposits safe? This, especially after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and the looming crisis in Credit Suisse.
Online searches for the safety of bank deposits are up as more people around the world are worried about their money. And that's natural. Swiss banks, considered the hallmark of safe deposits, are under the lens as cracks in the global financial system threaten Credit Suisse. But if you hold deposits in the United States, you have nothing to worry about. That's because bank deposits up to $250,000 are covered by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. Deposits are usually backed by government of countries. As long as you know the limits of that insurance, you should have no problem. While there's no guarantee that deposits above that number are insured, the Biden administration's extraordinary attempt to insure deposits above that limit must instill confidence in American banks. The visuals on your screen must have you worried about your old deposits. Experts suggest that if you hold more than $250,000 in deposits, your best bet to protect your savings is to diversify across banks, geographies, and depositors if you own a joint account. Let's consider you have diversified your savings. What other tips could you consider to protect your money? The most important is to monitor the financial health of your bank. Look for credit reports by rating agencies like S&P, Fitch and Moody's. If your bank has been downgraded, then it is probably time to stay alert. Now, let's assume your bank has been downgraded. What should you do? If you hold assets above your country's insurance limit, it is a good time to reallocate your assets. You may even get better yields with another bank in another country. Alternatively, you could also consider diversifying across assets like real estate, gold, or even bonds. With inflation elevated and cracks appearing in the global financial system, central banks around the world may be forced to rethink their policies. While it is important to move your assets to generate better returns, it is also important to stick to your financial plan. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.